Hi, welcome to today's video. The US non-farm payrolls increased by 20,000 in February, disappointing the consensus. Last time the non-farm payrolls increased this small was in May 2016 and September 2017. The market was expecting an increase by 180,000. In comparison, the non-farm payrolls for January increased by 311,000. The high volatility in these numbers were mostly due to the government shutdown. The shutdown was the longest in the US history, and 800,000 government workers lost their paychecks in January. Some of those 800,000 workers were covered by government benefits, specifically those who had been furloughed. Some federal employees also had to work without pay, and due to the length of the shutdown, many workers had to find temporary jobs in January. This led to the non-farm payrolls increased in January and explained the numbers of 311,000. Once the shutdown was over, the workers quit their temporary works and non-farm payroll in February declined sharply. The non-farm payroll private sectors increased by 308,000 in January and only 25,000 in February. Average employment for January and February in the private sector was 167,000, weaker than 12 months average. This indicates that employment has been affected by the political uncertainty. The unemployment rate fell from 4% to 3.8% in February. This shows that the increase in unemployment rate in January was due to the government shutdown, not the weakening in the economic fundamentals. The real unemployment rate, which includes the marginally attached and discouraged workers, fell to 7.3%, lowest value since 2001. The labor market is still tightening because the economic growth is still strong. Average hourly earnings increased by 3.4% annually, strongest increase since April 2009. The hourly earnings have been increasing in the past year due to the tightening in the labor market. As a whole, the employment numbers were positive. This will lead to the Federal Reserve to continue with the contractionary monetary policy, though at the moment the market is still expecting 0% of a rate hike this year. And that's it for today's video. Check the video description for more details. Thank you for watching.